I considered a delivery app. 2 times they made a front page of driving over people, and I don't know how much about the story is. I dare not stupid, of course. Kijk, yeah, you see, in Dutch. Poi is also already expensive enough. And why is it then expensive enough? The potatoes also around 20 or 30 cents more for 2.5 kilo. It can be I buy them elsewhere again, but this they get a bit more air or a bit more breath, whereby they are a lot better, a lot longer, and then I can even brag about a bag of potatoes.